Hey, welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a quick look at the brand new 2026 Shasta Phoenix 373 MBRB. The ultimate family suite. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, dual entry, weather shield plus. Why Recreation USA is the #1 Southeast authority? Are you searching for a luxury fifth wheel that truly accommodates the entire family without the corporate dealership games? The 2026 Shasta Phoenix 373 MBRB is available right here at Recreation USA in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. As a local family-owned and operated dealership, we pride ourselves on doing business differently. We don't have the massive overhead of big box stores, and we don't pass those costs on to you. When you buy from us, you get our lowest price up front with absolutely no hidden fees in the back end. No surprise freight, no prep fees, just honest, transparent pricing. Come make this camper yours today. 5031 Dick Pond Road, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588. Call us at 843-215-1800.